Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot review and an unboxing of the Nike LAHAR. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike LAHAR Low, and we got this in the beige colorway in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 42 and it's a US women's 10. So just before we get unboxing, this is a women's sneaker, well, a women's boot, but it looks so dope. I thought we'd try it on, see what you guys think. These remind me of the Ralph Lauren winterized boots, the hiking boots, and I've seen these on the blogs before. I've seen them on Instagram, like Hype Bay. A few of my followers, they've been wearing these Nike boots, and it's really dope that Nike have, I mean, they've always had like hiking boots, they've had trail running attire, that kind of thing for the great outdoors, but this is specifically a boot. So let me just quickly show you. It's different to any other box as well. So you've got this plain brown box with a Nike swoosh that's cut in, which is really dope. It's just simple, really simple. And here they are. I mean, to me, they're unisex. I mean, anyone can wear whatever they want, you know. Right here. Lugged design, very sturdy as well. I mean, it looks like any kind of hiking boot that you can get on the market, but it's from Nike. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got a lot of heavy lugged patterning right here, the Nike swoosh logo in the middle. It's very wide as well, you can see right there. It's there to help your feet be sturdy. These boots are going to be your anchors whilst you're walking. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is essentially the same as the outsole. It's just extending all the way right here. Again, very sturdy materials that are used. This black colorway. Moving along onto the upper. So this upper is made out of your nubucks right there. Very nicely trimmed. It's not like a hairy suede or anything. And it's in this beige like color all around. You got that detailing right there on the toe box. Same materials used, like beautiful leathers. What gives it more of that mountaineering, that hiking aesthetic are the metal eyelets that you can find on the sneaker or the boot. I'm so used to saying sneaker. Right there, you got all that little detail, metal eyelets, metal hardware. Gives it that hiking outdoorsy vibe. Rope laces as well. Again, you got it in this very tonal colorway with the little hits of green, olive, and it's the same kind of green color that you can see on the swoosh. That's on the lateral side. Got a pull tab right there on the heel. Heel again, like the whole boot is, it's just made out of this beautiful suede nubuck leather. Ankle support is very nicely padded. The tongue as well, very nicely padded. You got the swoosh right there on the tongue, and the insole, synthetic materials. You've got the Nike logo there as well. That rounds it off my review. Very nice looking boot, regardless of gender. I mean, I wouldn't even class it as a women's boot. I think anyone can wear it. You can do whatever you want. Who are we to judge? Would I go hiking in these? Probably not. I'll just go on a casual walk. I've been wearing Salomons, a lot of ACG boots, sneakers whilst I'm doing my trail runs. But this is a nice feel. Unfortunately, we are at summer at the time of recording this video. And I mean, I'd wear this with shorts. So I'm like nylon shorts probably to go with this. Bucket hat. If I find myself doing some trails, I'll be walking in these. So let's see what I look like with these on. Roll out footage of me trying these LAHARs on. I hope that I pronounced that right. Anyone in the comment section below knows how to pronounce that correctly. Let us know phonetically, you know, to spell it out, and it will help me greatly. Roll out footage of me trying these LAHARs on. fit, guys. I recommend it. You're true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5, and my toes are where they need to be. In regards to feel, they're quite comfy, a bit sturdy. Obviously, that's what I'm expecting because they're a heavy boot after all. They look pretty dope on. Don't let the fact that these are women's boots put you off. You can wear whatever you want, man, at the end of the day. And I probably won't wear these too much, only if I'm going to be walking in the wilderness or the woods, because it's really hot here in the UK, guys. I'm not going to lie. I know we complain about the weather a lot, but right now it is hot in the studio here, Oneupreviewz. But doesn't stop these boots looking really cool. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.